Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having low monthly fuel costs, certified pre-owned, and a good deal with these ratings. You are going to love the 2019 Corolla. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.8-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, driver illuminated vanity mirror, wheel covers, front disc rear drum brakes. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, lane departure warning.
We know that the idea of buying a used Toyota is attractive to you. After all, getting a high-quality, low-mileage Toyota at a great price is a smart move. That's why we created the Toyota Certified Used program. It's the smart choice.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.